Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can turn off one SIM card on Android mobile phone without unplugging the SIM card. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is opening our settings application. Then after we have this application opened, we can go to the connection setting. Okay, and then you can choose the SIM manager, and here if you want to turn off one of your SIM card, you can choose which of the SIM card you want to turn it off. For instance, I'm just going to turn off my SIM 1, so we just need to click on this toggle button to turn it off like this. Then you will get this question, then just click on turn off. Okay, and now as you can see guys, that the SIM 1 has been disabled, and if you want to activate the SIM card again, you just need to click on this toggle button and the SIM card will be activated on your Android mobile phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off one SIM card on Android phone without unplugging the SIM card. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.